अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूं मुजाहिद फ्रॉम नवीद गेम। आज हमारे साथ अवेलेबल है टर्टल बीच स्टेल्थ 700 Gen 2 वायरलेस हेडसेट। इट वर्क्स फॉर Xbox Series X and Xbox One। तो ये रहा द टर्टल बीच स्टेल्थ 700 Gen 2। दैट्स अ वायरलेस हेडफोन। इसमें लॉट्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन है। Okay, from the back again we have Stealth 700 Gen 2 and some more specs of Stealth 700 Gen 2 key. Okay, so Turtle Beach here, everything defeat everyone Xbox One, designed for Xbox Series X and Xbox One. So today we are going to unbox Turtle Beach, the wireless headset 700 Gen 2. Okay, so here the headset itself. Here I have the headset. It's full in black color. Okay, in the box we have some manuals. Stealth 700 Gen 2 की manual है और ये रहा हमारा USB केबल, चार्जिंग केबल टाइप सी की। हाँ, इस बॉक्स में सिर्फ ये मैनुअल थे और चार्जिंग केबल था। और ये रहा हमारी हेडसेट, द टर्टल बीच वायरलेस हेडसेट। इसकी क्वाइट कंफर्टेबल, not also adjustable. Okay, here I had the logo of Turtle Beach. In the nano clear speakers. Okay, here we have volume up and down. Okay, here I had the mode button, power on off button, and Bluetooth connecting button. Or here I had the sync button and also a Type C charging port. A realistic audio with 50 mm Naco clear drive, Bluetooth connectivity to Turtle Beach Audio Hub apps, and take your game to the next level with the Steel 700 Gen 2. Experience premium wireless gaming audio with 50 mm Naco clear speaker, Bluetooth connectivity, and ultra comfortable Aerofat cooling gel and Fuse air cushions. The Steel 700 Gen 2 features an all-new metal reinforced headband and redesigned hinge structure that more durable than ever. Yet the lightweight enjoy peace of mind that your headset is built to last. Okay, the Steel 700 Gen 2 easily sync with your mobile devices, allowing you to stream music or take mobile calls all while continuing to play. Whether you are bored of an old game soundtrack or receiving a call that your pizza is delivered, never miss the moment of action with simultaneous Bluetooth connection. Okay, so ये था हमारा वीडियो ऑफ अनबॉक्सिंग टर्टल बीच। इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय डू विजिट नवीद गेम। लोकेशन जो है नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेंशन है। हमारी व्हाट्सएप नंबर, हमारी डिलीवरी भी अवेलेबल है ऑल ओवर पाकिस्तान। थैंक यू, टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज़।